All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Giannis Winner's Choice. This is number 3, the 8x10 Winner's Choice. So we'll check the time, October 14th at 11:20 a.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got October 14th at 11:20 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. 5 or higher. And there's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Steve. Spot 10 is your winner. So, Steve, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, October 14th, 11:20 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.